Do the Bobby curve.
I don't know, am I good? You just want me to try so that I get bad.
Yes.
I don't have to try new things. No. I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. Throw like all of them at once and just see how many you can get. Or at least just do 2. Why not?
We'll get kicked out.
Aw, okay. No fun.
You see this shit? Like,
No smunk.
as you got a strook.
Strook. That sounds unhealthy. I don't want a strook. I like to be in like a ghost town, but like with bowling instead.
Yo, ghostception.
Yeah, shred. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try this again. I think I did this last time, but yay, originality. That sucked.
So you like pull the ball but throw the camera by
I swear that almost happened though. Well, how do I know when the what? Ah! the life of a bowling pin.
one strike.
How do I? When does the cows come up? Oh, you got it! Oh boy, he did it! Look at that 60 hertz flicker. What the hell? That's not what I wanted. When I do get the cows, when I do have the cows, I'll be ready. Yeah. How do I get a split?
Or not a split, a spare. That's how
Spur.
baseball works, right?
Yeah. This is baseball. Great American sport. Baseball. So if I miss, it just I'll get it.
I guess. It's not the cows.
Wait, look! There's the cows! Yes! Okay, now I can do good again. It didn't work. But it was glorious anyway. Cows, dude! Kokyu animation.
Are you ready for this?
Yo! Oh, that was so close. I was so surprised that even touched your head. That's unhealthy. That's not what I meant.
No!
Oh, dude, you took out half of it. No. That's pretty cool. Oh no. Wait. If I got a strike like this, dude. What? Dude! Sweet! Oh, that was sweet!
Awesome. Oh, I didn't get that.
How?
The pins are like talking to each other. They're like, this ball isn't even going against us. Let's just jump out of the way and be like, yeah, he got a strike.
Whatever.
That was not it.
I have 2 words for you. Sneak a hack. Damn it. Skra. The thing goes skra.
The booty. Watch this.
Nice. Yo, we're gonna break this one too.
This is so bad.
But the snakes. It's like that episode of The Twilight Zone. Oh, is that an alligator? That is an alligator. And there's a bloodshot eye. And there's I don't know what these purple things are. Yo, there's little dinosaurs in here. How are you supposed to pick those up?
Magic.
Oh, these T-Rexes and long necks. There's long. What?
That's a 3.
Do threes, not wazirk.
Let's go.
I expected you to like super kick it. And there he go. He's never been seen since that day.
Oh, there it is.
Shh. Parkour. Hardcore parkour. Get out, my car. Oh, physical effort.
Hola.
Physical activity.
¿Cómo
Oh.
estás?
Kill me now. Do you even drift?
Tokyo Drift.
Tokyo Drifto. Kansei Drifto. Kansei Drifto.
I'm gonna die. Actually feeling sick. It'll give me a reason to not go to work tomorrow.
True. I called off sick last Saturday even though I wasn't even sick.
Ooh, it's like
Law.
school. Literally every single week in elementary school, I would be like, I'm feeling sick. Can I go to the bathroom? And this was every week. Literally every week. I'm like, I threw up in the bathroom. Can I go home? And they're like, okay. And they never questioned me. Like,
But they probably knew it was complete garbage, so they're like, whatever, dude, just
my mom
go.
was the
Just
library clerk in my elementary school, so I just went to the library and hung out with my mom, or she would take me home. Doot doot dollop a daisy.